As vehicle systems become more complex, the SAE J1979 standard for emissions-related onboard diagnostics has also been expanded into a multi-part document series. Here's a quick overview of the 3 parts. The first part, SAE J1979, is the original standard that explains how scan tools request and receive diagnostic data from a vehicle's ECU via the OBD2 port. It defines onboard diagnostic test modes known as electrical or electronic diagnostic test modes, which are used for emissions-related diagnostics. The second part, SAE J1979-2, is an extension of the J1979 standard. It defines diagnostic services for OBD on UDS, onboard diagnostics on Unified Diagnostic Services, enabling greater data access, more parameter identifiers, PIDs, and support for advanced sensors. And the third part, which is our main focus, SAE J1979-3, also known as ZEVonUDS, which stands for Zero Emission Vehicle on Unified Diagnostic Services. This standard specifies the diagnostic services that must be supported by vehicles and external test equipment for diagnostic purposes related to zero-emission vehicle (ZEV) propulsion systems like traction drive motors, inverters, energy storage systems, high-voltage charging system, and regenerative braking. This is based on Mode 22 and UDS protocol, specifically designed for EV diagnostics. Since most older scan tools were designed for gasoline and diesel vehicles, they often aren't fully compatible with electric vehicles. That's why SAE J1979-3 was introduced, to help scan tools connect to and communicate with EV propulsion systems. It establishes a universal standard that allows tools to read trouble codes, check the health of key EV components, and manage systems that follow the ACC II standard, which stands for Advanced Clean Cars 2, a new regulation from the California Air Resources Board, CARB, that sets strict rules for reducing vehicle emissions and promoting electric vehicles. With some key points, starting from 2026, all EVs are required to support the SAE J1979-3 standard, and car makers must increase ZEV sales, aiming for 100% new ZEVs by 2035. To support this, all models from 2026 in California must support the SAE J1979-3 standard. To perform diagnostics, just follow the usual procedure. Plug the scan tool into the vehicle's DLC. For vehicles with new EV standard support, the tool enables system data retrieval, detects fault codes, and checks the health of other EV components. This new standard helps automakers design electric vehicles that are easier to diagnose and service. It provides technicians with clearer and more accurate data, enabling faster and more reliable repairs. Scan tool developers benefit by being able to create smarter, more compatible tools that work across different EV brands. At the same time, regulatory agencies like CARB can better monitor vehicle performance and ensure compliance with emissions regulations. At Innova, we're committed to staying ahead. Our tools will soon support this new standard, empowering technicians to confidently service EVs. Updates are in the works to ensure you get the latest fault codes and health data. Visit ProRepairSolutions.com to get the latest updates.